My dear affectionate students of Radarbagh Christian School and College, welcome to my class once again. How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Thank you, I am fine too. Dear students, today we are going to start a new unit and a new lesson, and it is a new unit that is included 2021. Okay, this is very important unit, and you have to take the gist from the unit. You can see a picture on my screen. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Khairul Islam, who is he?
Yes. Sir, he is Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman.
Wow, excellent, good. We all know Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Not only we know, but also the whole world's people know him very well. Okay, today's topic is about Bangabandhu and Bangladesh. Now I'm going to describe what we will learn from here, from this lesson. After we have studied this unit, we will be able to read and understand text through silent reading, infer meaning from context, listen for information, ask and answer questions, write answers to questions. After having studied this lesson, we will be able to learn these things. Okay, get ready for it.
Yes, sir.
Unit 5, lesson 1. The title of the lesson is Bangabandhu and the Language Movement. Okay, dear students, before reading the passage, we have to know about the about the keywords that is on the top of the lesson. Keywords, movement. In Bengali, can you tell the Bengali meaning of movement? What is the Bengali meaning of movement? Is there anyone who can answer?
Nachara.
Here, what is the meaning of movement? Here, what is the meaning of movement? Because it relates to the passage about Bangabandhu and the language movement. You can see.
Bhasha Andolon.
Andolon. Language means Bhasha and movement means Andolon. Bangabandhu, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman and the language movement. Have you understood? Here movement means in Bengali Andolon. Here movement means in Bengali Andolon. And if you say Bhasha Andolon, you have to say language movement. Language means Bhasha and movement means Andolon. Okay?
Yes,
have
sir.
You understood? Very good. Discriminatory. Can you tell the Bengali meaning of discriminatory? Siam Hussain, Sanjit,
Yes, sir.
Redwan. Who will be able to answer the Bengali meaning of discriminatory? Okay, before going to the word, I have to say the part of speech of movement. What type of part of speech is movement? Movement is a noun. Movement is a noun. And discriminatory meaning?
Sir, Boishommamulok.
Boishommamulok. If you find RY, it is called adjective. If you find MENT after the word, after the base word, it's called noun. Movement is a noun and discriminatory is an adjective. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is there any question to know the words? You have to learn the synonyms and antonyms and part of speech of the words from the passage. Okay, emergence. Fahad, can you tell the meaning of emergence?
Sir, I think উদ্ভব, আবির্ভাব, অভ্যুদয়.
Emergence is a noun because we have found after the base word ENC. If you found ENC suffix after the base word, you have to call it noun. Okay. Here is another word, identity. Fahad, identity. The meaning of identity is?
Sir, পরিচয়.
It's also a noun. If you find TY after the base word, you have to say noun. Okay. Is there any question about the keywords?
No, sir.
Okay. Let's go and proceed on. Look at the picture and ask and answer the questions in pair. There is no chance to do it. It will be done in the class, but you have to try it in Zoom class. Are you ready to ask and answer? Okay. What is happening here? Who can tell the answer? What is happening here? What is happening here? Who can tell the answer?
Sir, এটা কি একটা রেলির পিকচার?
What?
Sir, এটা ভাষা আন্দোলনের রেলির একটা পিকচার.
It's a picture of a procession, and it was held in 1952. There is a father of the nation who led all the movements of Bangladesh, and in his hand, we got independence of Bangladesh. Okay, come to the next question. Does the picture relate to any important event in our national life? Already I have told the answer.
Relates to an important event. But does the picture relate to any important event in our life?
Yes, what is the answer?
Definitely, it does. This picture is related to our historical language movement. The participants of the rally are marching to pay tribute to the language movement martyrs.
Martyrs, okay. What do you know about Bangabandhu's contributions to our national life? Can anyone tell? What do you know about Bangabandhu's contributions to our national life?
Bangabandhu and Bangladesh are inseparable from one another. Bangabandhu was a student leader of East Pakistan. He was an important organizer of the language movement. He also took part in historical six-point movement and the mass movement of 1969. He declared the independence on 16 December in 1971.
Good. Now come in part B. Read the text. Okay, I'm going to read out the text before you. Just listen to me carefully so that you can be able to understand the text perfectly. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was one of the few student leaders who played a significant role in turning the language movement into a mass movement. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is called the father of the nation. He is the guardian, he is the pioneer, and he is the man who led all the movements of Bangladesh from his student life. He joined in all activities of Bangladesh. As a student leader, he was the central figure in organizing mass gatherings, rallies, and strikes for raising awareness against the discriminatory language policy of Pakistan. All conspirations and all types of tyrannies have been decreased by the hand of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The language movement started when the Governor General of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, declared Urdu and only Urdu shall be the state language of Pakistan on 19 March 1948 at the Race Course Maidan while addressing a public gathering. Muhammad Ali Jinnah wanted to impose us to speak Urdu in all spheres of East Pakistan, but we did not allow. Bangabandhu's bold voice raised then, and we all together joined to the movement. By the inspiration of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, he again uttered the same on 24 March 1948 at the University of Dhaka during his convocation speech. It is an important date for Bangladesh and the people of Bangladesh. The students instantly protested against this announcement vehemently. It was the time when young Mujib started organizing the student front of Muslim League in East Pakistan. When Bangabandhu was young, he started organizing all the students to stand against any type of tyranny, especially against the Pakistani occupation. Just mute yourself. Mute yourself. Don't switch on. If I ask any question, you just unmute. He was proud of his Bengali identity and very active to initiate strikes and protests against the language policy of Pakistan government. Bangabandhu, the leader, the world leader. Later, the then Prime Minister of Pakistan, Khaja Nazimuddin, echoed the statement of Mr. Jinnah on 26 January 1952. Mujib was in prison during this time due to his political activism and was admitted to Dhaka Medical College under police custody. In different times, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was arrested by the tyranny occupation. Can't you hear me? Can't you hear me? Student? Can't you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go. Later, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Khaja Nazimuddin, echoed the statement of Mr. Jinnah on 26 January 1952. Khaja Nazimuddin also told in the same tone of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Mujib was in prison during this time due to his political activism and was admitted to the Dhaka Medical College under police custody. However, he stayed in constant touch with other leaders directly engaged in the movement to make Bangla the state language. His directions from prison led the movement to a success. On 14 February, he started a hunger strike there. He is a model of the world, and he is Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, who united us and we got a free country. Okay, let's come to the next para. During a general strike on 21st February 1952, the protesting students tried to defy Section 144 imposed by the government. Students tried to protect and try to defy the 144 section. That was very tough in this case, in that case, and it was a very unstable position. The police opened fire and killed a number of students, including Abdul Salam, Rafiq, Uddin Ahmed, Abul Barkat, Abdul Jabbar, and others. In his autography, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman says, "We decided in the meeting in my room to observe 21st February as State Language Day and to form a committee that day to conduct the movement to establish Bengali as the state language." Okay, you have already known the meaning of the passage and you have already learned the very, very important news from this passage. Okay, are you ready to answer from part C? Are you ready to answer this multiple choice question?
Yes,
okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. When I ask anyone, just answer. Here are some multiple choice questions with one correct answer and 3 incorrect answers for each of that items. Choose the correct answer and put a tick mark beside it. Okay, get ready. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir.
Sheikh Mujibur Rahman played a significant role in our language movement. What does the underlined word mean here? Famous. Significance refers to, is it famous, important,
Important.
famous, active?
Important.
Important.
Important is related to significant. Very good. Okay, the protesting students tried to defy Section 144 imposed by the government. What does the underlined word mean in this sentence? Sorry, to refuse, to agree, to accept, to obey.
To refuse.
To refuse is related to defy. That means omanno kora in Bengali. What's the meaning of the word autobiography in this passage? Autobiography, the story of a person's life written by somebody else. The story of a person's life written by his friends. The story of a person's life written by that person himself. The story of a person's life written by a journalist.
Sir, I think the story of a person's life written by that person himself.
Yes, very good. Autobiography in Bengali, Jibon Attojiboni. This is called the story of a person's life written by that person's himself. Okay. Okay. 3 is related to C. 1 is related to B. 2 is
Important.
related to A. 3 is related to C. Okay, come to number 4. Which of the following words is the meaning of central in the passage? Most important, number A. Number B, less important. Number C, unimportant. Number D, popular.
Sir, most important.
A.
A, very good. 4 is matched with number A. Okay, come to number 5. We decided in the meeting in my room to observe 21st February as State Language Day. What does